Let's explore unexpected ways to make money using AI tools that you might not have considered. From automating mundane tasks to creating unique digital products, the possibilities are endless. As technology continues to evolve, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve and discover innovative income strategies. Join us as we delve into practical tips and creative ideas that can help you leverage AI for financial gain in today's fast-paced, tech-driven world. Freelancing with AI writing tools. Leveraging AI writing tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can significantly enhance your writing efficiency, allowing you to produce high-quality content in less time. To find clients in need of content creation, consider platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, where businesses are actively seeking freelance writers. With the right tools, you can take on multiple projects simultaneously, increasing your potential earnings. Plus, the flexibility of freelance work means you can set your own hours and work from anywhere, making it an appealing option. Creating AI-generated art. The market for AI-generated artwork is booming, with platforms like Artbreeder and DeepArt enabling artists to create unique pieces effortlessly. To sell your digital art online, consider using marketplaces like Etsy or Saatchi Art, where you can reach a broad audience. Additionally, social media platforms like Instagram can help you showcase your work and connect with potential buyers. As industries increasingly embrace AI art for branding, advertising, and decor, the demand for this innovative form of creativity continues to grow. Developing AI chatbots for businesses. Creating and selling AI chatbots to businesses can be a lucrative venture, as these tools enhance customer service by providing instant responses and 24/7 support. Platforms like Chatfuel and ManyChat make it easy to develop user-friendly chatbots without extensive coding knowledge. When pricing your chatbot services, consider offering tiered packages based on features and support levels, allowing businesses to choose what best fits their needs. With the growing demand for efficient customer interactions, this is a promising market to explore. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. Using AI tools can significantly enhance your affiliate marketing efforts by providing valuable analytics to track and optimize your campaigns. Tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush help you understand audience behavior and improve your strategies. When selecting profitable affiliate programs, focus on niche markets that align with your content and audience interests. With effective marketing and the right tools, you can create a steady stream of passive income, making affiliate marketing a rewarding venture in today's digital landscape. Online courses. Using AI technology. Creating and selling online courses that utilize AI technology is a fantastic way to share knowledge and generate income. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to design and host your courses. Selecting a niche is crucial. Focus on topics where AI can enhance learning experiences, ensuring your content is relevant and engaging. To attract students, implement effective marketing strategies such as social media promotion, email campaigns, and collaborations with influencers in your field, maximizing your course's visibility and reach. AI-powered social media management. Offering social media management services using AI tools can streamline your workflow and enhance client results. Tools like Hootsuite and Buffer allow you to schedule posts efficiently, ensuring consistent content delivery. The benefits of AI extend to analyzing engagement metrics, helping you understand what resonates with audiences and optimize strategies accordingly. To acquire clients for your social media services, network through platforms like LinkedIn, showcase your expertise with case studies, and offer free consultations to demonstrate the value you can provide. Stock trading with AI algorithms. Using AI algorithms for stock trading can enhance your investment strategies and decision-making processes. Platforms like Trade Ideas and Alpaca offer powerful tools for algorithmic trading, allowing you to automate trades based on data-driven insights. While the potential rewards can be significant, it's essential to understand the risks involved, including market volatility and algorithmic errors. Thorough research and a well-defined strategy are crucial for success. Always backtest your algorithms and stay informed about market trends to maximize your trading effectiveness. Building niche websites with AI content. Creating niche websites using AI-generated content is an innovative way to establish an online presence and generate income. AI tools like Jasper and Copy.ai can help you produce high-quality articles tailored to specific topics quickly. To maximize your site's visibility, focus on SEO strategies such as keyword optimization and backlink building. Additionally, consider monetization options like affiliate marketing or ad placements. With the right approach, niche websites can provide a steady stream of passive income, making them a worthwhile investment. Tube mastery and monetization. By MatPar is perfect for those interested in creating a YouTube channel and monetizing. Just click the link in the description. Conclusion. In this video, we explored unexpected ways to monetize AI tools, including freelancing with AI writing, creating AI-generated art, developing chatbots, and leveraging affiliate marketing. Key takeaways include the importance of using the right platforms, understanding market demand, and implementing effective strategies for success. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us create more informative content on innovative ways to harness AI for income.